Welcome to my channel. Here we're going to be working on this building drawing problem, and as we have it, figure 2 shows the sketch plan of a 3-bedroom bungalow. Study the given specifications and answer the questions that follow. So the specifications that we are talking about, I don't have it as hard copy here with me, but I have it as soft copy on my laptop, and I will be making use of whatever we need from what I have specifications on my laptop. And let's look at the dimensions on this sketch plan. So we have the distance from here to here is 14,500, that is total length, and total width is 9,800. From here to here is 3,500. From here to here is 2,000. From here to here is 4,000. From here to here is 5,000 to this end. Okay, so and then we have that from here to here is 1,500. On this side we have that from here to here is 3,500. From here to here is 2,000. From here to here is 3,500, and from here to here is 800. That is distance from here to here is 800. Okay, so we have from here to here to be 2,800, from here to here 3,500, and from here to here 3,500. So we are going to make use of these dimensions to produce the sketch plan first. Then we go on and work out the thickness of the wall as we proceed. So let's start like this. So the first thing that we are going to do is to draw a horizontal line. So we draw a horizontal line. So here we draw a horizontal line, and then so coming down here we are going to draw a vertical line. So we draw a vertical line from this end. Okay, then we are going to take dimensions on the horizontal. So we have 3,500 first, that is 35. So we are making use of a scale of 1:100. So we divide each dimension by 100. So followed by 2,000, that is 20 millimeters. Then followed by 4,000, so that is 40 millimeters. And then we end it with 5,000, that is 50 millimeters. And then we have to take a measurement of 15 millimeters inward. So from where we end, that 50 millimeters. So we have that on the, we have this on the horizontal. Then we take 35, so 35 down, so this is 35 millimeters. And then we have 2,000, so this is 2,000. Then followed by another 35, so this is 35 millimeters. And then we have 8 millimeters, so this is 8 millimeters. Okay, so we have this. So we are going to draw a horizontal line from here, but before that, so let's first of all draw this vertical line. So we draw a vertical line from here like this, and then so we draw a horizontal line from this end. Okay, so we draw a horizontal line from this end. And then so the next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to draw a vertical line from this end. But before that, let me draw the horizontal line here first. So here we draw a horizontal line to this end, and then we draw a horizontal line from here to this end. And then so for the vertical lines that we are going to draw, so I will just draw it to touch this, and then I will draw it to touch this line. Then coming here, I will also draw the vertical line to touch this horizontal line, and from here down, and then from here to touch the horizontal line, and from here also down here. And for this 15 that we have here, so we draw this horizontal line here. Okay, so there are some other things that we have to do here. So looking at for this 8, before that, so for this 8, so let's draw horizontal line here. Then let's look at these dimensions that we have here on this end. So we are given that from here to here is 1,750, from here to here is 28, from here to here is 35, from here to here is 35. So we have already so for this 28 that we have here, so let's take that measurement first. So and it start from here where this 8 ends. So we take 28 millimeters. 28 millimeters. So this is Okay, so we already have 8 from here to, I'll just add 20 to it. So 20 to 8, so this is 28. So we have that. Okay, and then so from here, so what we have left is 35. So that 35 is already there, so I need to draw a horizontal line. So from here to here, so we have that horizontal line. So this line is not supposed to be here, so I'm still going to remove it. And then we also need to take a measurement of so that's 1750. I'll make it 18 millimeters. So this is 18 millimeters, and that shape is in a square form, so I'll also make it to be in a square form. That is 18 millimeters on this side too. So here I'm going to draw a horizontal line, and then so coming here I will draw a horizontal line. So other dimensions that we have here, so we also have distance from here to here to be 1500. From here to here is 1500. So so what we are to do is that we are going to subtract okay, so we just need to take 1500 from that is 15 millimeters from here to here, so that we can get this line. That's what we just need to do for that. Okay, so so let's quickly have that. So I've taken a measurement of 15 millimeters. So from here, so this is 15 millimeters, and then I'm going to draw a vertical line. So from here down, okay, so we have it here. So this line also, I need to join this together as we have it in the sketch plan. Okay, so so other thing that we have here, so we have these steps, or the steps that we have here. So we have 2 of them, 1, 2, and according to the specification, we have that the riser is 150 millimeters while the thread is 220 millimeters. So in this sketch plan here, we are making use of the thread, so which is 220. So if we divide 220 by 100, that will give us 2.2. That will give us 2.2. So there are 2 of them that we have here. So what we are going to do, so we just leave it as each of them as 2 millimeters each. So we come to this point here. So let me make use of this line. Okay, so let's make use of this line. So here we are going to take 2 millimeters, 2 millimeters. So this is 2 millimeters, and here is another 2 millimeters. So we are going to draw a horizontal line on each of these points. So this horizontal line and this horizontal line. So we are going to use the thread in the sketch plan. So that is what we have here. Okay, so I will make this line a thick line. All right, so with this, so we have partially made the sketch plan. So the next thing that we are going to do here is to bring out the thickness of the walls. That's the next thing that we are going to do. So let's see how that goes. So we go to the wall, or the walls in the specifications. So the wall details are there, as we have that all walls 225 with 12 ceramic tiles wall finish. So if we add 12 to 225, and that will give us 237. So if we divide 237 by 100, that will give us 2.37. So we just make the thickness of the wall to be 2 millimeters. So we take a measurement of 2 millimeters from here. So this is 2 millimeters, and we come up here, we also take 2 millimeters. So this is 2 millimeters. So we are going to join this together. All right, so we join this together. So join this together like this. Okay, so we have done that. So, and then for this one, so the first line, or the lines that we drew first, they are for the external part of the wall. So we can only take the thickness inward, not outward. So take note of that. And for this, we also take this. So for the inner one, You can take to the either of the two sides. So I'm taking this now to this side. So this is 2 millimeters. And then we come up here, we also take 2 millimeters. Then, so we join this together. Okay, so we have done that. Then the next is for this one, I will take it in here. So 2 millimeters. So we come up here, we take 2 millimeters and we join this together. Okay, so then for this, I'll take it to this side. Okay, so we have that, and then so we also have a wall here. So we take 2 millimeters to this side. So we come up here, we take 2 millimeters and we join this together. Also, so for this wall that we have here, so we take 2 millimeters inward, and then coming up here we take 2 millimeters inward and we join them together. Alright, so that's done. Then we also have a wall here. So we take 2 millimeters inward, and then here we also take 2 millimeters inward and we join this together. Alright, so we have that, and then we also have for the horizontal walls, for this, so we take 2 millimeters in, then we also take 2 millimeters inward, then we join. Okay, so we have that, and then so for this we take 2 millimeters in. Here also we take 2 millimeters inward. So we join this together. Alright, so we are moving on. So the next is we also have one horizontal wall here. So we take it down, and then here also we take it down and we join this together. Alright, so then so we also have a wall here. We have horizontal wall here. So then we join this together. Okay, so then we also have this wall here. So we are taking 2 millimeters for the thickness of the wall, of the walls. Alright, so we have this, and then so we also have a wall here. Then we also have a wall here. Then we also have this vertical wall. All right, so we have taken the walls. All right, so before we go on to fix the windows and the walls, let's look at what we have. This is an entrance porch, and at this point here in this space, there is going to be there's going to be a beam here. So there's going to be a beam. So that means that this line, we need to draw it with short dashes line. There will be a beam here. So we need to draw it with short dashes line that we use to indicate the presence of a beam in the building. So we need to make it short dashes line. So that's for the beam that we have there. Then we also have an arc here in the dining room. So that is here. Okay, so we also need to work that out. So I will just come here and take a measurement of something like take like 6 millimeters away from this end, and I will also come here and take 6 millimeters away from this end for me to fix the arc that we have there. So I can now draw the arc with short dashes line. Okay, so we have that, and then the same thing here. Alright, so we have taken the walls, and I've also done the writing of each of what each of these parts represent. So let's meet on a video for the fixing of windows and the doors, and then we continue from there. Thank you, and God bless you.